Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my Fatima channel. Hope you're all good. So friends, today I'm going to teach you 12th class English subject chapter 6, which is a love poem, When You Are Old, written by W.B. Yeats. Full form of W.B. Yeats is William Butler Yeats. So before starting our today's love poem, let's have a glance at W.B. Yeats. So, William Butler Yeats was born in the year 1865 and has passed away in the year 1939. He is an Irish poet and one of the foremost figures of 20th century literature. His poetry is a part of Celtic Twilight as the Irish literary revival, and it uses the history, myths, and heroic figures of Ireland. William Butler Yeats, he uses history, myths, heroic figures of Ireland to compose his poetry. Yeats wrote plays, was one of the founder of Abbey Theatre in Dublin, and was witness to the revolutionary politics of Ireland. For his work, W.B. Yeats was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1923. Later, W.B. Yeats got influence from Ezra Pound and he began to write modernist poetry. The best thing about William Yeats is he is considered among the great love poets of the world. So this was a little introduction given in your text about William Butler Yeats. So let's start our love lyric of When You Are Old. So before starting our love poem, which is a love lyrics written by W.B. Yeats, let me tell you a little backstory of this love lyric. In this love poem, When You Are Old, the poet W.B. Yeats addresses a young woman whom he had loved and proposed many times without success. He expressed his resentment towards her for not reciprocating his love. At the same time, he cautions her of an unpleasant and regretful situation in the future for rejecting his sincere love. Though she has not responded to his genuine love, still he tries to pay attention to his true love before it gets too late. He does so because he wants her not to ignore his true love and regret later. So, this was a little story behind this poem, love poem, When You Are Old. So now the lover, who is a male, he is just realizing a realistic picture of his lover in future by asking her to imagine herself in the future. Now let's start the poem, love poem. When you are old and grey and full of sleep and nodding by the fire, take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft look your eyes had once and of their shadows deep. Friends, I will not explain you line by line. I will tell you the complete explanation of this stanza as a story which you will not forget. So, in the first stanza, the man who loved her, he addresses her directly in the present and asks her to imagine herself as an old woman in the future and then recall her past by reading the books of poem. He is telling that in future when you become old, your hairs become grey and your eyes will be full of sleep and you will be nodding by the fire. By this time, you take this book and start reading this book he has written for her. By reminiscing her youth and elegant beauty in the past, she is reminded of her dreamy soft look she had once and realizes how it has been replaced now by deep shadows of difficulties and sorrows reflecting the suffering she has undergone in her life. So let's move to the next stanza. Hope you have understood the first stanza of When You Are Old love poem. So in the second stanza, how many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false are true. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. As I explained in the first stanza, in the same way I'll explain the second stanza. Here he is telling that the man who loved the lady, he is telling that when she is young and beautiful, she was loved by many of her admirers only for her external beauty, which is transistent, not her inner self. Here, transistent word I use because not inconstant, not constant, which is not constant. Okay. They have deserted her when she has lost her elegance and youth. Their love is not genuine. Here, the people who loved her external beauty, their love is not genuine towards her. It is superficial, but the poet has loved the spiritual aspect of her inner self. He calls it pilgrim souls. He acknowledges her extreme elegance as a young woman. Along with it, he is also receptive towards the changes happen in her old age, like shrunken face, wrinkled skin. He has loved the struggles and sorrows depicted by her face as equally as her beauty. But still, the poet who loved her a lot, he continued to love her unconditionally and never wished to abandon her. This total means that though other men loved the girl who looked very gorgeous from her external beauty, their love was not true towards her. But the true love done by the poet was for her soul, not for her beauty. So the true love is for her soul, which has a never ending purity with the man. Hope you have understood the second stanza also. Let's move to the last stanza. And bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur a little sadly how love fled, and paced upon the mountains overhead, and hide his face amid a crowd of stars. So once again in the final stanza, he represents a picture of old age. He is apprehensive of going unnoticed and becoming a memory to her. So when she grows old without a true companion like him and after being subjected to aging process, she will surely feel the regret for not considering his love. On realizing the fact that her beauty is transcendent and his true love is permanent, she murmurs sadly to herself in a regretful tone that her love, true love, has fled and hiding his face amid a crowd of stars. So friends, here I have completed the love poem, a love lyric of When You Are Old, written by William Butler Yeats. Hope you have understood it in a very well method. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, comment me in the comment section and don't forget to give your reviews. If you like my explanation, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notification of my videos. Share it with your friends so that they could even not miss this opportunity of getting a good explanation. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.